Okay. Good morning, everyone, once again. So let us continue on to the left portions. So we were discussing about, what was the last topic we were discussing? Say fast. What was the last topic?
In the depth of respiration.
Yes, very good. So we were discussing about the factor influencing the rate of respiration. So we have completed about the factor that influence the rate of respiration where respiration increases, and the other one was the respiration, how, when, in what factors, what are the factors that influence the respiration to get decreased. So we have discussed, one was the brainstem injury, the other one was some medications, Jessica, narcotic, analgesic, okay, and then sedatives. All these things are the medications that decreases the respiration, okay, or else that decreases the act of breathing, okay, or else when you are in a stoop and some positions now, so in that case also your respiration decreases. All of you know now what is stoop and some position. I can't show you all this one practically because that need to be performed. Have you ever heard stoop and stump position? S-T-O-O-P. Stoop and stump. S-T-U-M-P-E-D. Stoop and stump position.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You can see the image. You can Google and see the image. Okay, of this stoop and stump positions. Like I can't show you all because in online it is very difficult to show. You try to see in Google, okay? And if still you're confused, then you can ask me. Is it okay? Just write down the name nicely. Stoop and stump position.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then the day I have given you all, I think some of the term, okay, some of the terminologies or some of the important terms that alter the respiration. Just like I have given bradypnea, right? Yes or no? When I think when I was explaining about the characteristic of this, yeah, yeah. What was bradypnea? The rate of breathing.
Respiration rate is
Say.
less than 10 breaths per minute.
Very good. Have I given tachypnea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then the 2 point done. And apnea also I have given, I guess, apnea.
Yes, ma'am.
Just now we have discussed. Okay. Did I give you all dyspnea? Dyspnea. D-Y-S-P-N-E-A, dyspnea. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Dyspnea का मतलब है ना, when we have difficulty in breathing, we call it as dyspnea. Nowadays, like medically, we use all these terms, okay? No one frequently use that. I have like difficulty in breathing. We frequently use dyspnea. Write down D-Y-S-P-N-E-A. Dyspnea. उसका meaning है difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing means in order to breathe normally, you might give an effort, okay, to inhale and exhale. Okay. Done.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I will be teaching you all the most important, that is the general instruction for taking TPR, because temperature in the vital signs I have taught you all TPR and BP. So temperature, first we have discussed about BP, that was all done, and the step was also done, but TPR, these three are combined that you need to know. Temperature we have discussed, pulse we have discussed, and respiration, all the theory or the deep details about that we have completed. So now, and all of you still remember in the articles that is needed to be kept in the first aid box. I have shown you all the thermometer, and in the thermometer, in some of the thermometer, the reading is given only in the Celsius form, and in some of the clinical thermometer, the reading is given in both the Celsius and in the Fahrenheit. So both that you need to know. So when you have thermometer ना ऊपर में Celsius का देता है और नीचे लाइन में जो है Fahrenheit में देता है. So I think you have the picture, right? Yes or no? I think I have sent you all. First aid का जो वो था ना मैंने भेजा था. I have sent you all or not? The picture of thermometer, the digital one, the clinical one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There you can see it. There you can see it. Okay. 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 Just wait a minute. Okay. Student, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in heading, you write there are general instruction for taking TPR. General instruction for taking TPR. You just listen, okay? General instruction for taking TPR. So before you take the temperature, pulse, and respiration of the patients, you need to know the general instruction, okay? While taking TPR. So first of all, when you try to check the temperature, so what is the first and foremost thing that you need to keep in mind? What comes in mind? Suppose you are trying to take the temperature of mine. So what will come to your mind? First of all, it will come the appropriate site, you all know temperature, the sites of taking temperature, right? So that mouth, axilla, rectum, all those things, you know the sites of taking temperature. So you must be thinking first of from which appropriate size I will be measuring the temperature. That should be the first thing that should come in your mind. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we mainly used to take in the axilla. Okay, we mainly used to take in the axilla hospital. In hospital, I mean. Okay, and then the next instruction is that all the necessary equipment is collected or not, because you're going to perform TPR now. So all the necessary equipment, that is the articles, whatever is needed, is being collected or not. Okay. So depending on the site, okay, if you were taking the temperature too orally, then obviously the articles should be something different. And if you are trying to take the temperature through axilla, then obviously to wipe the axilla, there are some other articles or equipment is also required. So based on the sites, appropriate sites that you are going to perform the procedure, okay, you have to collect all the necessary equipment which is needed. Are you clear? That is the second point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next point, most important, you should always try to prevent infection. So hand washing, you have to wash your hand, okay? Hand washing. So I have already taught you all the 7 steps of hand washing that also you can perform. And if the water tap is not available, you can also use sanitizer. Okay. And then in a thermometer, there is a mercury line in between. Through that, we have to assess the temperature. एक mercury level होता है in thermometer. So that mercury level, that line, okay, that line. Sometimes the reading is given in Celsius, sometimes the reading is given in Fahrenheit. So वो thermometer पकड़ के देखने के बाद like you have, first of all, you have to keep the temperature in this room temperature. That is, the mercury level should be below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. In case of Fahrenheit, it should be below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And if in case of Celsius, it should be 35 degrees Celsius. You can write it down this. Bring down the level of mercury below 95 degree or 35 degrees Celsius. Bring down the level of mercury below 95 degree or 35 degrees Celsius. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so means when you hold the thermometer ना ऐसा जो mercury line दिखाई देगा. Wait, let me show you one with the. Am I visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, this is the thermometer, na? So it's not that visible. It's not that visible. So यहाँ पे जो line ये दिखाई दिया middle में.
Yes, ma'am.
This line is the mercury level. Okay, this line is the mercury level. Okay, so this is the thermometer which I have, and this contain both the Celsius reading as well as the Fahrenheit reading. So if I showed you all like this, okay, whatever it is. So in the above the mercury line, now the reading is given in the Celsius, and in below it is given in the Fahrenheit. So when you see this line now, you can see this line, dark color line used to come, and you sometimes the dark color line now that comes under the mercury line, the dark color line, like you sometimes it comes still like 40, 45, 50 like that it comes. Okay, before keeping this thermometer into the patient axilla or into the patient mouth. So it comes like that, the reading. So what you need to do is that you need to like shake it like this. You need to shake it and try to observe that. Now also my thermometer is in, the reading is in 39 degrees Celsius. And in Fahrenheit to 102, it is like that. That means by holding this thermometer, I just can't go and like check the thermometer, check the temperature of someone. Na? First of all, I need to bring this mercury level below 35 degrees Celsius and as well as below 95 degrees. So you have to shake it like this, and again keep on looking like this. If you see practically, then only you will come to know कि reading कैसा ऐसा करके move होता है. So it's mine is still in 39. Now it comes to 35, so it won't be visible. So 35, but again you have to shake it because it should be below 35, na? So this is how you need to perform. I'll show you all once you come. Are you clear, all of you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. इसीलिए ना thermometer, if you have thermometer also ना, ऐसा thermometer है बोल के direct ऐसा करके जाके temperature मत लेना. जब तक 35 डिग्री लेवल का बिलो नहीं होता, जब तक 95 का बिलो नहीं होता, तब तक like check नहीं करना है. That is the general instructions that you need to follow. Okay, shall we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, and then the next point should be never leave the patients alone with thermometer. So you will never, suppose you put the thermometer, on the patient axilla or mouth, okay? Then वो रखने के बाद ना ऐसा leave नहीं करना है. You should not leave that thermometer, okay? Means alone with the patients. And then always try to read the thermometer at the eye level. Again, I have to show you all this. See now like I have already checked the temperature. Okay, I have already put the temperature, and suppose this person person temperature is 97.6. okay, his temperature. So I'm trying to check it like this. I can't check it like this. You can't check like this. You have to put this in the eye level. Okay, in the eye level you have to see like this in the eye level, like this. Are you clear? In the eye level. Okay, ऐसा नहीं देखना है. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then always remember that you have to wipe the thermometer, okay, before taking temperature from the bulb to stem. Okay, remember this. Okay, likhna. Wipe the thermometer before taking temperature from bulb to stem. bulb to stem means temperature लेने का आगे bulb से stem तक clean करना है. And then after taking temperature ना उसका opposite होगा, उल्टा होगा. तो कैसा होगा? कैसा wipe करोगी after taking temperature? Before to you have to wipe the thermometer from bulb to stem ना. Then after taking temperature, how you need to wipe? From
Stem to
Stem
bulb.
to bulb.
very good, from stem to bulb. Okay. Why do we need to wipe? Again, there is rationally. Why do you need to wipe? To prevent.
Infections, ma'am.
Yes, to prevent cross infection, because you can also be cross infected, no? Okay, those was the general instruction for taking the temperature. Okay, so now how to prepare? Okay, how to prepare according to the site. You can write heading preparation according to site. Preparation according to site. Preparation according to site. So there were 3 sites, na? That is oral, axilla or rectal tha na. So now how you need to prepare? Kaisa prepare karna hai? Okay, so you are trying to take the temperature orally, okay, and you have to ensure that the patient has not had any hot or cold drinks or smoke just before taking oral temperature. Nahi to reading mein gadbad hoga. Okay, there will be like there will be some what to say, there will be some like the words doesn't come, there will be some disruption in the reading. Okay, so that's why like always instruct the patients not to have any hot or cold drink before before taking temperature. Okay, and smoking to ekdam ban karne ko bolna hai. Okay, and then because you are trying to take the temperature orally na, so orally to ye jo thermometer hai मुंह पे घुसाएंगे, तो अगर like patient ने bite कर लिया तो that also you need to instruct the patient ki I'm putting inside your mouth the thermometer because I want to assess your temperature, but do not bite the thermometer. Okay, because if you bite the thermometer, it can break it, and then all those particular like pieces of the thermometer glasses and all that, if the patient swallow, then it can cause infection. So all those things you need to explain. Are you clear how you need to prepare the patients according to site, that is mainly oral site? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next is axilla. Axilla ka matlab armpit. So now you are trying to take the temperature from the axilla. So what you need to do is that sometimes we used to take gauze piece. Okay, gauze piece, if gauze is available, then you take it gauze. If gauze is not available, then take cotton, anything you take. Okay, so but two pieces needed. 2 is needed. Before taking the temperature, you have to wipe the axilla. Okay, we have to wipe the axilla. Axilla को clean करना है. वो थर्मोमीटर जो है ना रखने का आगे पेशेंट का एक्सिला क्लीन करना है. ओके, फॉर दैट यू ट्राई टू वेयर ग्लव्स पहन के गॉज पीस हाथ में लेके पेशेंट का एक्सिला क्लीन करना. क्लीन कर लिया तो यू थ्रो इट इन द पेपर बैग. Okay, you throw in the paper bag. Then after that, keep the thermometer in the patient axilla, and after that, after reading, after taking this again, you wipe it one more time. Okay, that means 2 gauze piece is needed. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this rectal no need to explain, I think, because nowadays this is not preferable. Okay, by WHO it's not preferable anymore, but just try to know that when a person want to take the thermometer from the rectal, then they used to just give lateral position. Okay, and then also they have to lubricate the thermometer. Okay, and use roundabout thermometer. There is another thermometer that is used for rectal. Okay, the bulb is round bulb thermometer. It is like that, but nowadays it's not preferable. So just know that होता है, rectal का side भी होता है, तो lateral position में रख के दिया जाता है, और जो thermometer है, the bulb is round. That much if you know, it's enough. It's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
that is how you need to prepare the patients with the site. Now, let us discuss about pulse. We know now there are 9 sites of taking pulse. Now we will think that me कौन सा site का pulse में check करो. You'll feel like that. So first of all, what you need to keep in mind is that you need to choose the most appropriate site for taking pulse. So according to you, what is the most appropriate site for taking pulse? बीपी लेने में भी इजी है वो साइट.
Brachial, ma'am.
ब्रेक ओके, व्हाट इज ब्रेक? ब्रेकियल से भी इजी वाला है. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग. ब्रेकियल छोड़ के भी तो एक है ना, आर से शुरू होता है.
Radial.
यस, रेडियल. ये हार्ट यहाँ पे इन योर नियर योर रिस्ट ना. ये जो रेडियल है कैसा लेता है रेडियल? Radial, where is the location in our body? It is near the thumb
Elbow.
side, okay, on the inner aspect of the wrist. ये जो हमारा जो wrist है ना, it is on the thumb side of inner aspect of wrist. On the thumb side of inner aspect of wrist. You try to feel yourself. You will be able to feel it. Okay, done, right? You understand, right? That much? I'm just saying,
Yes, ma'am.
the mainly the appropriate sites that we mostly used to take, na, that is radial pulse. So you can just like remember, if you find difficulty in like assessing the radial also, you can go to brachial also, like it depends. Okay. And then when you are palpating the pulse na, do not apply much force, okay? ज़्यादा press करके उसको palpate करके pulse को feel करने का कोशिश मत करना. Like do not apply too much force, okay, over the artery, because it can get damaged na. So that's why when we try to feel the pressure upon any sites at the time, we should always apply this less force, okay, less force. Because the pressure that we apply is totally upon the over the artery na, so इसलिए problem हो सकता है. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
one thing I forgot to say, one thing means like we were discussing about the factors na, factor influencing. Exercise लेने के बाद उसका ये increase होता है, उसका वो decrease होता है, as well as in pulse and respiration na. So always like before measuring pulse na, always means before measuring pulse, consider factor that normally influence the pulse rate. Okay, तो वो दिमाग में रखना है, check करने का आगे उसका pulse या जो भी हो. Just before you have taken the exercise or not, you have taken this breakfast or not, all those things, everything like you have to assess. That is the reason why that factor affecting is very very much like essential to know all those things. क्योंकि अगर exercise लेने के बाद तुम लोगे तो increase ना obviously होगा ना, तो उसको थोड़ा chill out या relax करने के लिए बोलना है. So that you need to keep in mind. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then when you are taking the pulse na, you always encourage the patient, or else we call it as the client, okay, to relax and do not speak. उसको बात करने को मत बोलना. When you are taking pulse, चुपचाप रहने को बोलना. Tell him that don't speak, be relaxed, okay. That is the thing, that is the instruction you need to follow, okay. Okay. And then you have to count the pulse for 1 minute, okay? And if any irregularity is present, check on both the extremities. Remember this, count pulse for 1 minute. Count pulse for 1 minute. ये जो हमारा ये जो pulse है ना, we always used to count. We used to count 1 minute. So see this is my radial, na? This is my radial pulse, na? So if I want to feel it like this, then always you keep the watch like this or the watch beside you, na? So you just try to assess like this. You just try to assess the radial pulse and see the 1 minute. And you have to take this pulse only with जब ऐसा count करोगे ना, suppose it is 10. Suppose right now it is right now it is 10 a.m. So exactly at 10 a.m. I am checking the pulse rate. Okay, the pulse rate exactly at 10 a.m. Then I have to stop checking after 1 minute. That is at what time? At 10:01, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the general instruction, ना? So you need to know. नहीं तो जो normal है ना, normal जो beats सिखाया था ना pulse के लिए, normal कितना था pulse का? Respiration का तो 16 to 20, pulse का कितना था? 70 to 80 था ना? 70 to 80 beats. तो normal pulse rate में हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? We used to write 70 to 80 beats per minute. Per minute का मतलब है एक मिनट का बात ना. तो जब एक मिनट के लिए pulse चेक करोगी ना, तो at the time you will find 70 to 80 beats per minute. If someone is having 70 to 80 beats per minute in between, then that means his pulse rate is normal. Okay, and if he doesn't have this much range of beats, then there is a conditions of abnormalities. Okay, are you clear? इसलिए पहले normal value सिखाया था. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you ever been taught this before in your previous semester, or you don't have I think you don't have this syllabus, I guess, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, you can write down respiration. Respiration. Temperature के लिए उसका side का prepare कर लिया, pulse का भी how to take I already told you all, and then now respiration. Okay, while assessing the respiration, okay, the position mainly preferable is the sitting or else lying down position. Means the patient might be in the lying down position, and then you can assess the you can assess the respiration. Okay, while he is lying down as well as sitting. Means this lying down and sitting, these positions are the mainly preferable position. Okay, always keep in mind first thing is that you have to keep the client in a comfortable positions. That first he need to be comfortable, and then only you should start the procedure. Okay. Okay, and if the client is active na, you at least wait 5-10 minutes. उसको client को comfortable position में रखने के बाद ना, you wait at least for 5-10 minutes. Okay, if the client is active, then just skip for that. Okay, and you need to count. Remember that while counting the respiration, na, you need to count the inspiration only. Write it down. This you have to count the inspiration only. Count the inspiration only. Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and I already told you what the meaning of inspiration. Okay, Jipan, you can take screenshot. The time is again short now. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I think we won't be able to complete. No problem. On the next time, I'll teach you all the procedure of taking pulse. Okay. So articles, I think for these articles, these things are not needed. Okay, articles, you want to see the picture, or else I'll just explain it.
Ma'am, with picture.
With picture, okay. Okay, there is also a TPR sheet. Okay, I don't know TPR means temperature pass respiration record करने के लिए ना एक sheet होता है. We call it as TPR sheet. Okay, and then all of you keep the like if that TPR sheet, I don't think in downtown university it's available or not. I don't think, but let me see if I still have or not this TPR sheet. Because in that TPR sheet ना hospital में होता है ये temperature pass respiration check करने के बाद एक sheet होता है उसका नाम TPR sheet बोलते हैं, and then you have to use ना blue and red pen, blue or red pen. So on my next class now, on my next physiology class, I think it will be after puja only, I think, because Tuesday we probably used to have Tuesday na physiology, mera physiology, yeah, Tuesday I used to have. So, but Tuesday is puja, so I don't think we will have. So after puja, so you get ready with the blue and red pen, okay? And during puja, I'll try to search my own TPR sheet. If I still have, then I'll show you what. I think you all also will want to like know na how to draw the line from that TPR sheet, or else you don't need.
Yes, ma'am. We need.
Yeah, because I don't want you all to go to hospital na and says that everything is new. So in some hospital it is not even available also, but when you learn something na, try to learn every details about this, because when someone asks na, you can just beat them with your knowledge. Okay. Okay, Jiban, done with the attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is Kaustav present, Kaustav?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kaustav,
Yes, ma'am.
you make paper bag and keep it ready, okay? Make paper bag and keep it ready, okay? On my next
Okay,
class,
ma'am.
will be showing the paper bag to your friend. Okay, make it very nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then, like, anyone have thermometer in your home? Anyone have thermometer?
No, ma'am.
You can buy for yourself also. This
No, ma'am.
thermometer. Because your parents or you can get sick anytime, you don't know na. So you can assess if you know the technique ना, मैं सिखाने के बाद technique तो पूरा पता चल जाएगा ना कैसा लेना है, so it can be helpful for you and your family also. खुद भी check कर पाओगी ये, तो इसीलिए खरीद के रखना. You can buy from online also, it's not costly. It will be only 100 something like that. You can just buy the thermometer. Don't buy the digital one. Digital one is good, but digital one is like those who are already expert na, so time nahi hone se they just use. So they just use in emergency cases. So better to buy the clinical thermometer. There you can get the reading with degree Celsius as well as degree Fahrenheit. So if possible, all of you, I want all of you to have and buy this thermometer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then I want to teach you all more, but the time used to be very, very short. That's why no option. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.